how to fix USB connected disconnected problem in your Android mobile. So if you want to fix your USB connected disconnected problem in your Android mobile, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your settings at first. And under settings, you need to scroll down and you'll find a developer options. If you don't find your developer options, then you can just simply go with your search settings, and under your search settings, you need to search for USB. Once you search for it, you will have your USB debugging. And if you don't find it, you can just simply search for developer options and then turn your developer options on. Once you turn on your developer options, you can scroll down and you will find USB debugging right here under the debugging section. You need to enable the USB debugging. So go and turn it on and then tap on OK after the 10 seconds. I'm aware of the possible risk and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. Once you turn that on, you need to scroll down and you will find an option of default USB configuration. And once you find that, you need to tap on it. And here, if you want to transfer some files through USB, then you just need to simply select your file transfer under USB. If you've selected no data transfer, then select file transfer, and this will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.